Hey there, it's been a while. Looks like I haven't uploaded a YouTube video in about 5 months, and the entire time my business partner and I have been straight cooking to bring you a Roblox scripting course filled with as much value and information as possible. And I'm happy to announce that early access orders for that course are now open. You can order directly on our website, link in the description, and currently we are 10% off until June 15th, at which point the price will permanently increase. If you're an email subscriber, you'll have received a private coupon code in your inbox, granting you a total of 30% off early access pricing. If you're a YouTube member, please reach out to us in our Discord, open a ticket, or you can email us and we'll also send you a coupon code if you'd like to enroll. If you missed the email sign up, that's okay. You can still sign up for emails at the footer of our website and we'll continue providing potential coupon codes in the future for you to watch out for. But right now is the lowest price that this course will ever be at. We'll be rolling out content section by section over time, and early access subscribers will get access to all of the additional content that gets added to the course at no additional cost. We're opening up early access now for anyone who would like to get in and lock in this early price and also help support us as we continue developing the course. And as more sections continue to roll out, the price of the course will slowly increase towards the full release price. Inside the course, you'll get access to lesson videos along with the supplemental materials that go with them. So if we scroll down, there are some supplemental notes here, and these notes have everything you need to follow along with the videos, plus any extra information that may not be mentioned in the videos. It's always great to read through these, and you can also download all the resources from the notes for each lesson. There have been many vast improvements in this course over the prior one. Obvious ones would be mic quality improvements, but the best one that I tried to incorporate is as many experimentation and practice activities as possible. Every lesson where we learn something new, in this case I'm in the particle emitter instance note, I will provide you a practice activity for you to walk through and experiment yourself first. You got to attempt it yourself first, and then I'll walk you through a solution. There's also going to be a total of 4 projects planned in the course. 1 here, 2 here, where's the third one? 3rd here, and the 4th one right here. Now, could you learn all of this on your own? Absolutely. There are many tutorials and learning playlists spread all over YouTube, so you can hop between videos and try to piece everything together. The only downside you may encounter is that you'll have to adapt to multiple different teaching styles, and you may also have to shuffle through some outdated information on dev forum posts. But it's totally possible to learn by yourself, because that's what I also did. And technically I did go through some courses, but a lot of the stuff I pieced together over several years. The goal with our course is to give you a single learning path with virtually everything you need, so you don't have to hop around all over the place trying to piece everything together. You also get access to a learning community with hundreds of other developers, as well as the ability to ask questions on a support forum where we'll aim to respond to your questions within 24 to 48 hours. And we encourage you to ask questions. Our goal is to get you out of tutorial hell, because tutorial hell is not a place you want to be. The only thing you know how to do in tutorial hell is copy other people's code, but you don't know how to write the code yourself. This is the reason why I wanted to implement as many opportunities for you as possible to experiment after every single lesson where you learn something new. By enrolling now, you'll get access to the first 2 sections immediately, so you can get a feel for how the course is and whether you like it or not. And to sweeten the deal even further, we have a 30-day refund policy. So if you don't like the course, just contact us, submit a refund inquiry, and we'll refund your money. There's no risk to you. You can buy it, and you can see if you like it, and if you don't like it, we'll give you your money back. Now, a disclaimer for this course is that we are in early access, so there's likely going to be issues here and there. Not all the captions for the videos are available. There may be missing content or bugs on the websites. So we have a bug report and feedback forum in our Discord that we highly encourage you to create posts within if you ever encounter anything that's an issue. If something sucks or your learning experience sucks, we want to know. Please share it with us. We want to improve and make this course as amazing as possible, and the only way to do that is to get feedback from you. So please share feedback with us, no matter how harsh it is. As for rollout, the first 10 sections are already curated with all of the content they need. We simply need to finish recording and editing before those sections can start rolling out. I'll also be rolling out these sections to the Udemy course, Once the first 10 sections come out, the course will be relisted for purchasing on Udemy. However, I'm going to make it slightly more expensive on Udemy because I'd rather incentivize you to be on our website as you get more features and it better supports us. If you're a prior Udemy student, then you don't have to repurchase the course on my website to get access to all of the new content. It's also coming on Udemy. But if for some reason you want the course on our website, then just contact us. You could open a ticket in our Discord or email us, and we'll send you a coupon code, and then you can buy it on our site for like $8 because we still need to fund all the work we've done on the website. Once the first 10 sections are out, I can start to relax and focus a bit more time on posting content for my YouTube members. So for you, my YouTube members, I have several plans which I already shared in the Discord server. I want to release my Better Marketplace system, which was briefly mentioned in one of my earlier videos about scripting systems. But in order to do that, I need to refactor a few other systems that this system relies on, such as my Better Data service. And then I also want to extend this service with an optional system that allows you to have save files so your players can like hot swap between your save files while in game. And then once I get that out, then I'll be releasing the Better Marketplace system. I also plan to come back and post more YouTube videos, but most of my focus at this time is going to be on getting content curated for the course. I also wanted to take this time to talk about Paths of Peril. I haven't abandoned the project. I want to go back and work on it. It's just there are a lot of things going on and I only have a single brain. Once things relax on the course side and I get a lot of the course stuff finished, I do want to resume development on Paths of Peril. Hopefully, income from this course can help me fund more developers to start working on it. Now, there is something in the development world, or when you work on any project for a long duration of time, called familiarity fatigue. You know all of the flaws and you're just too familiar with the project and your mind basically gets bored or unexcited about it and you don't think it's that good. But when you leave a project and come back to it after several months, you take a look at it again and you're like, wow, I actually did a good job on this. I think the same thing applies with Paths of Peril. I look back on it and I think there's great potential with it. Additionally, I'm currently experiencing familiarity fatigue with this course as well because I've been working on it for the past several months straight, and my brain is keeping mental note of all of its flaws. And that's how you can fall into the trap of scope creep and perfectionism. But we're going to keep moving, because if you don't keep moving, then nothing happens. We have so many plans for this course. Content is going to continue rolling out. And we also want to open up an affiliate program where if you're a creator and you want to affiliate with us, we'll give you a free enrollment to the course so you can see if you like it or not. And if you do and you want to advertise it, we can work out a deal. Now, this current website version is website version 1. My business partner is working on a version 2 of the website that's eventually going to replace this one, and it will contain the extra features like an affiliate program. So there's a lot going on in the background. Now, I'd like to ask you, the viewer, is there something you'd like to see added to the course? Or are there other courses you'd like us to create? Let us know in the comments below. To close this out, I wanted to say thank you to all of my current Udemy students. Without your purchases of the prior course, this new one wouldn't be possible. Additionally, thank you to all my YouTube viewers and subscribers and members. Thank you for your support on the channel. You are all greatly appreciated. I love you all, and hopefully I'll be able to talk to you again soon.